My name is Mandy Sanders, and my family's journey with Verity Health started back around January of 2015. And we actually came in because of my 2.5-year-old son, Chase. He was having what they had described as a cough variant asthma, and it was just a constant cough. He couldn't run like a 2-year-old boy does without having a coughing spell where he would just have a hard time breathing. We were going back and forth traditional medicine at his pediatrician, and we had several rounds of antibiotics, and between September and January, somewhere around 6 rounds of steroids. It just wasn't something that we wanted to continue. It wasn't working, it wasn't giving him enough relief, and it really was just rough for our family. So my husband was actually talking to Dr. Mantilla, and he had asked why we haven't brought him in yet. And honestly, we don't have neck problems. He's 2 years old. Why would we bring him to a chiropractor? So we brought him in, still not sure. I was willing to try because we were getting ready to go see a pulmonologist, an allergist. We were just kind of at our wits' end. We'd spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars a month on nebulizers, and of course all these steroids and things that weren't working, that we were done. So we were willing to try, but just unsure of how it was actually going to work. And the first time we came in, he actually had his first adjustment. It took a couple of weeks for the coughing to stop, but I could slowly see his body healing. The coughing slowed down, and his teachers actually noticed a difference at his preschool, that he was starting to feel better. He had a little bit more energy, and just overall just seemed healthier. Chase absolutely loves his adjustments, so we would come in two to 3 times a week, and after about a month, the coughing was gone. His body was healing through diet that Dr. Mantilla helped establish, dietary changes, and of course the adjustments. He's now, every other week, if we start noticing that he's going to have a cold, if he's had a little bit too much dairy or if there's something like that, he'll come in and get an adjustment and just kind of nip it in the bud before it becomes an issue. And he's healthy. He's a healthy, active 2.5-year-old boy. He's running, he's sleeping at night, he's napping during the day. So we're very grateful to Dr. Mantilla for everything that he's done for our family and for our little man.